Instructions for week 5. Okay, week 5, we are reading chapter 5. Chapter 5 covers short workplace messages and digital media. Specifically, we're looking at direct messages this week and then some of the nuances surrounding social media and text messaging in the workplace. So read chapter 5, watch the chapter talk, and complete the corresponding quiz. Spelling test this week. Test over list 5. We are skipping list 4 just to stay consistent with our chapter assignments. So list 5 this week. Additionally, you have your chapter 5 Applia assignment in MindTap. And then lastly, you have a forum discussion this week. You are going to review a message sent by HR covering the office dress policy. Here is the message. You are going to rewrite that according to the direct message principles and email that we are studying this week out of chapter 5. Please be sure to read the chapter and watch the chapter talk prior to revising this email. Your post will be due Thursday at 11:55 p.m. and your 2 replies will be due Sunday at 11:55 p.m. with the rest of your coursework. All right, please be in touch with any questions. Thank you.